everyone. Now you can add, track and analyze your investments like a pro with our excellent Portfolio Analyzer report. With FYERS Portfolio Analyzer, you can seamlessly manage investments in stocks, bonds, cash and many other asset classes. In this video, we will learn how to look into Portfolio Analyzer report in a simple manner. So, let's get started. What is Portfolio Analyzer report? The purpose of the Portfolio Analyzer report is to analyze an investor's portfolio and give insights based on different financial measures. For instance, you can determine the proportion of assets invested in different sectors, equity styles or asset classes. Investors can also see how their portfolio is exposed to the same stock in various funds. It shows the level of diversification or concentration of one's portfolio. Proper diversification brings reduced volatility and risk than an over or under allocated portfolio. How to access Portfolio Analyzer? To access the Portfolio Analyzer, you are required to log in to the My Account portal and click on Go to Portfolio Analyzer. What we offer? Analyze your holdings. An objective analysis of your portfolio, its strength and weaknesses. Distributed asset allocation. A clear picture of your asset allocation across various investment vehicles. Top 10 underlying holdings. Measure and compare the performance of top 10 most weighted stocks in portfolio. How to read Portfolio Analyzer? Asset allocation. The asset allocation section shows the percentage of assets spread across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, cash and others. It is derived by aggregating an investor's portfolio asset class of direct stocks and underlying holdings. Stock sector. Stock sector shows the percentage of portfolio equity assets invested in each of the three super sectors, that is, cyclical, defensive and sensitive, and the 12 major industry sub-classification. Investment style. Investment style is a strategy that an investor or fund manager follows in selecting investments for a portfolio. Investment style is based on several factors and typically tends to be based on parameters such as risk preference, growth, value orientation and market cap. Equity style. Equity style is a grid that provides a graphical representation of the investment style of stocks and portfolios. It classifies securities according to market capitalization and growth and value factors. Fixed income style. It is based on the two pillars interest rate sensitivity and credit quality. The three duration groups are limited, moderate and extreme, and the three credit quality groups are high, medium and low. These groupings display a portfolio's effective duration and credit quality to provide an overall representation of the portfolio's risk given the length and quality of bonds in the portfolio's underlying holdings. Top 10 underlying holdings. The top 10 underlying holdings shows the actual securities held by an investor listed in descending order of their portfolio weights. Portfolio holdings. The portfolio of all the holdings will be available along with the type of holdings, value, weightage, 3-year annualized return and the folio ratings from our partners Morningstar. We hope this was useful and it helps you to understand how to look into your Portfolio Analyzer report. If you want to know more about Portfolio Analyzer report, you can click on the mentioned link. Thanks for watching.